different phenomena. You know, the geometric structure, facial features, you know, people's personality and characteristics you have to take into consideration. How light reflects on an object. So you have light that's reflecting on an object and it's created a shadow. And then the darkness of the shadow or the lightness of the shadow is determined by the distance of the sun. When you get into art, you realize that art is really predicated on a hell of a lot of physics. Because if you understand how light and the electromagnetic spectrum operate, you would notice that the reason why, let's say an apple, hypothetically an apple, why is the apple shade dark? The apple shade is dark is because, you see the darkness of the shade, we can determine the distance the object.